In this clip, we're going to talk about carving in the slip on a bigger object. With my pot, before, I didn't let it set up a lot before I started carving on it. If you look at this is a different consistency of clay. I threw this pot yesterday. We've put the white slip on there, and I'm going to go ahead and use my loop tool to make a design here. Again, not too fast, not too slow, confident mark in the middle. I'll then do another mark here on the outside, nice and easy. Okay, and I'm going to make some other kinds of marks. Let me use my bigger loop tool. I'm making different kinds of marks in the pottery. Again, nice, confident mark. Different kinds of tools make different kinds of marks. I've let this set up. I want to try to get these ribbons out without making too many finger marks in my pot, but there's how to make some better marks in the slip on the pottery.